Hello student level 8 ICP. Today I want to tell you our new material about sequence. What is sequence? Sequence is a list of numbers in order that follow a special rule. Look at the example. Okay. I have some sequence here. Okay, look at here. Here, there are a list of number. Okay, list of number in order. Do you still remember ordering number? Urut, ya. A list of number in order that follow a special rule. Look at here. 3 to 5, 5 to 7, 7 to 9. We know that 3 to 5 is added by 2 or plus 2. Then the special rule of the sequence is plus 2. Okay, do you understand? I repeat it once more. A list of number in order that follow a special rule. Okay? Yeah? Next. Okay. In the sequence, we will learn about term. What is term? Term is element. Anggota. Okay? Look at this sequence. We can say here 3 is the first term or the first element, anggota pertama. Okay? So 7 here is the third term or the third element, anggota ketiga. Okay, do you understand? And we can write it as U. U here is term. U1. Or we can say here the first term. The first term. U here is term. Okay? The first term. 3 here is U1 or the first term. 7 is the third term. Okay? Using U. So here you give the number. Okay, so here, do you understand? Okay. Next. The difference. Difference is the special rule in arithmetic sequence by adding. Okay? So, the general formula of difference is un minus un minus 1. Okay. We will find the difference of this sequence. Difference, beda. Okay. We will find the difference by logic. Okay, look at here. 3 to 5, 5 to 7. Okay, 3 to 5 is adding by 2 or plus 2. 5 to 7 plus 2. Okay, 7 to 9 plus 2 here. Okay, the difference here. Okay, then we can say the difference of the sequence is adding by 2 or plus 2 or 2. Okay, do you understand? Okay. So, we will find the difference using the formula. Okay. Un minus un mean 1. It means, for the example, you and here, you will take and here 2. Okay, then n minus 1 here, it means 2 minus 1 is 1 here. Okay, then if you take here u to our second term, you will minus it by the first term. Yeah, if you will take here the fourth term, you will subtract it by the second term. Okay, if you will take here the fifth term, here minus the fourth term. Do you understand? Okay, Miss Roma takes here the second term. It means minus the first term. Okay, the second term here is 5. The second element is 5. Okay, minus the first term. The first element is 3. Then the difference is 2. Okay, do you understand? Okay, the first way we use logic, and the second way we use formula. Okay, do you understand? Okay, I have other example here. 9 to 6, 6 to 3, 3 to 0. Okay, we will find the difference using logic. Kita mau menemukan pakai logika. Okay, 9 to 6. Okay, we can find 6 here. Because we 9 here minus 3, so we can find here 6. 6 minus 3, we can find 3. I'm sorry, here 0. Okay, so 3 minus 3, we can find it 0. I'm sorry, here 0. Okay, do you understand? Nah, then the difference of the sequence is minus 3. Okay, the difference of the sequence adding by negative 3 or plus 3 or negative 3. Okay, do you understand? So, how if we find it by formula? Okay, I have said to you before, if you take here the second term, it means here the first term. Jadinya kalau kamu di sini ambil anggota pertama, berarti di sini anggota kedua, berarti di sini anggota pertama. Kalau kamu ambil di sini anggota ketiga, berarti di sini anggota kedua. Okay, do you understand? Miss Roma takes here the second term is 6. Okay, so it means 6 minus the first term 9. 6 minus 9 is negative 3. Then the difference of the sequence is negative 3. Okay, do you understand? Kamu boleh pakai yang logika atau pakai yang rumus. Okay, tadi yang logika kamu ini ke sini ditambah berapa sih? Ini ke sini ditambah berapa sih? Seperti itu. Atau ini ke sini dikurangi berapa? Ini berarti ini ke sini kurangi berapa? Itu pakai logika. Kalau pakai rumus untuk menemukan difference beda, ingat tadi, berarti kan kalau kamu ambil di sini the second term, berarti di sini the first term. Kalau kamu ambil di sini the third term, berarti kamu ambil di sini the second term. Paham? Oke? Boleh pakai logika, boleh pakai rumus. Oke, sampai sini paham ya, Mas ya? Mas dan mbak-mbaknya. Nah, we'll study too about the ratio. The ratio is the special rule in geometric sequence by multiplying. So, the general formula of ratio is un divided by un minus 1. I have told to you, if you take here the second term, it means here divided by the first term. If you take here the fourth term, it means here the third term. Okay, do you understand? Example. We will find the ratio of this sequence 2 to 4 to 8 to 16. Okay, we will find it using logic. Kita mau menemukan pakai logika dulu. Okay, 2 to 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 16. Okay, 2 jadi 2 to 4 here, because we multiply 2 here by 2. Ya kan? 2 jadi 4 ini kan kita kalikan 2, oke? 4 to 8 we multiply here by 2. Ya kan? Nah, 4 jadi 8 di sini juga dikalikan 2. Then the ratio of the sequence is 2. Okay? The ratio of the sequence is 2. Then ratio for multiplying. Oke, Kak? Bisa dipahami ya? Oke. So, if we will use the general formula, for the example, un divided by un minus 1 here. If you will take here the second term, it means here 2 minus 1. It will be the first term. Then the second term divided by the first term. The second term is 4 and the first term is 2. Then 4 divided by 2 is 2. Okay, do you understand? Then the ratio of this sequence is 2. Okay, boleh pakai logika, boleh pakai rumus. Kalau pakai logika, 2 ke 4 ini kok bisa ini diapakan? Oh, dikalikan 2 ternyata. 4 ke 8 dikalikan 2 ternyata. Oh, berarti rasionya adalah 2. Kalau pakai rumus tadi, yang Miss Romah jelaskan tadi. Oke, bisa dimengerti ya? Oke, next. The second example. Okay, find the ratio of this sequence. Okay, we'll find it by logic. Kita menemukan pakai logika, ya kan? 8 to 4, 4 to 2 here. We know that 8 to 4 here is divided by 2, ya kan? 8 ke 4 ini kan kamu bagi 2. 4 ke 2 ini kamu bagi 2 juga, ya kan, Mas? Dibagi 2. Okay? Or we can say times a half. Ya kan? 8 times a half, because ratio is multiplying, okay? 8 times a half. So is 4 here. So 4 times a half is 2. Then the ratio of this sequence is a half. Okay, do you understand here? So we try to find it by general form. Okay, if you take here the second term, it means here will be the first term. The second term is 4. The first term is 8. Okay, 4 divided by 8. We simplify these fractions. Yeah, divided by 4, 1, divided by 4 here, 2. Then the ratio of the sequence is a half. Bisa dimengerti ya? Jadi kamu boleh pakai logika, boleh pakai rumus. Kalau pakai logika gimana? Tadi ya, 2 jadi 4 itu kira-kira diapain? Oh, dikali 2. 4 jadi 8 dikali 2. Then the ratio of this sequence times 2 or 2. Okay, do you understand? Atau boleh pakai rumus yang sebagaimana Miss Romah jelaskan tadi. Oke, paham? Ini juga kalau mau pakai logika, 8 jadi 4 ini dikali berapa ya? Oh, dikali setengah. Berkurang kan? Berarti kan dikali setengah. Oke, 4 jadi 2 sini, oh dikali setengah. Oke, do you understand? Then the ratio of the sequence is a half. Atau kamu bisa pakai rumus yang sudah Miss Romah jelaskan. Oke, so what the difference between ratio and difference? Ya, difference tadi yang Miss Romah jelaskan. Difference yang tadi Miss Romah jelaskan itu. Nah, difference here. Difference is adding. Then the special rule is adding. Ya, jadi difference itu penjumlahan. Okay. So, how about and we can find the difference by for the example, the second term minus the first term. Itu tadi. Jadinya menemukan difference itu bisa dengan dikurangi, ya kan? The second term minus the first term dikurangi. Okay? But the ratio, we can find the ratio by dividing. Okay ya? Ini kita bisa menemukan rasio dengan membagi. Okay, Mas? Mbak. Now for the example, the second term divided by the first term. Seperti itu ya. Jadi difference itu kita bisa temukan dengan the second term minus the first term. Tapi kalau rasio kita temukannya dengan the second term divided by the first term. Seperti itu ya. Bagaimana? Bisa dimengerti? Oke, cukup ini ya. Dan jika ada yang kurang paham, monggo sekali Miss Romah sangat membuka kalian, membuka waktu untuk kalian untuk bertanya ke Miss Romah. Miss Romah sarankan lewat grup dulu ya. Karena apa? Biar teman-temannya yang lain itu juga tahu kayak gitu, seperti itu ya. Dan Miss Romah membuka pertanyaan di jam pelajaran, yaitu jam 8 sampai jam 2 siang. Selain itu mohon maaf Miss Romah sangat slow respon ya. Seperti itu. Cukup sekian dan semoga Allah memberikan kemudahan kalian dalam belajar. Dan mohon maaf apabila ada